Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to edit a theme header and footer in HubSpot CMS. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. So let's go first of all, select a theme. So for this tutorial, I'm going with the new one. Just click on marketing, website and go to website pages. On the top right corner, click on create and click on website page. Here you just need to enter the domain name and the page name and then click on create page. It will take you right over here. And I have already selected the theme, which is Spark. You can even change the theme from over here. But once you select your theme, click on any one of those pages. I'm just going with this one. And once you are here on the left side of the menu, click on the second option, which is contents. And we have a website header over here. Click on this and this will pop up, open in global content editor. Yes, just click on this option. After that, you will end up over here. So right now we are going to talk about header only. On the left side of the menu, we can add stuff, but we can click on contents also. So you will see all the contents related to header. So you can see we have logo over here and we have site header over here. And if you click on site header, you will see all the primary menu items, which is this one, right? And you can even edit all of them: utility menu settings, search settings, and even, you know, translation strings. We have search settings over here. As you can see, we have search option also over here. But if you want to change the logo, you can also do that. Just click on contents, click on logo, and you can replace the logo and remove the logo if you want to. So there's a lot of stuff which you can do. And once you edit all of them from over here, just click on the top right corner, publish to 2SS. Once you do that, you will need to go back to that same page. And on the right side, just scroll down at the very bottom for footer heading, editing, click on this, and you can see that this pop-up will also come up for this one. Just click on this option. And right now you are going to edit only footer, right? Like we did for header. Just click on the left side of the menu, contents, and you will see all the contents related to your footer. So you can see over here, I just click on the section and all the section included this one. We can just go back to the contents also. We have socials over here, logo over here, a column over here. We can add columns over here. There are a lot of stuff. On the right side, you can see that if I hover every single thing, it's showing me what it is all about. We have footer info also at the bottom, which you can even edit them. So once you click on, if you want to select any one of them and edit any one of them, just select that and start editing. On the left side, you can also do that by simply clicking on it, but you can also select them from over here. And that's it. After that, just click on the top right corner, publish, and you have edited a theme header and footer in HubSpot's CMS. So that's it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.